Hi there. Today I will discuss about Chartpixel. With the help of this website, you can turn your messy data into an interactive chart. So now let's go into it. The first thing is, in the Google search bar, search for Chartpixel. Once you'll search for it. Here is the website of Chartpixel. You can also read Instant Data Analysis. Click on it and get access of it. The first thing it will ask, to log in with your account. And if you don't have, then create your account with the help of your Google or any other that Chartpixel prefer. As you can see, my account data is already saved. Here you will see different options, like import data with the help of file. If you have a file in your computer, then click on Upload. Then your computer will be open and you can upload your files directly. This one is URL. You can directly import the URL of any website. This one is Clipboard, Database, Integration. And also it has some demo files. If I click on any of these, then it will start generating the chart. But for now, I will use a file, which is in my computer. So I will click on the option File, and we'll click on Upload, and let me search for that file which I want to turn into a chart. So I'll upload a file, and my uploading has been successfully completed. Now you can see it start processing. So let's wait until the time of completion. And below you will see all the things which you have in your file. If you want to turn on the encrypt mode, then you must need a plan. With the help of the plan, you can enable it. But for now, I don't have. So that's why I'll click on the option to start analysis. Now it's start analyzing, and let's wait until the time of completion. Now the processing has been completed. If I click on this option, let me skip these, and these are the key insight of my file. And here's the chart result. If I click on any of these, I can check each and single thing of my file, like paycheck is 100 and a much more thing. So with the help of this, you can turn your messy data into an attractive chart with the help of Chartpixel. And that's it.